The Timex Ironman Run Trainer was designed for runners who want to say goodbye to repetitive loops, complicated online mapping, and simply enjoy the freedoms of running. With a large, easy-to-read, customizable display, you can see exactly what you want during a workout, like your pace, distance, heart rate, and much more. Plus, the 8-hour battery life and 50-meter water resistance gives you the reliability you need from a training tool. Best of all, it's a Timex Ironman, and like our other sports watches, it's pretty easy to set up and use. Let's get started. Just 5 easy steps to start using your run trainer. Charge the watch, update the firmware, set the time, step outside for a GPS signal, and start the chronograph. To charge the run trainer, clip the Timex download charging cable to the back of the watch, making sure that the 4 metal pins on the clip align with the 4 contacts on your watch. Then plug into your computer USB adapter. Now you will need to charge and drain the battery a few times before you get the maximum power, allowing for 8 hours of GPS use. The next step is updating your firmware. Improvements are constantly being made for a better experience. We'll have much more detail on this in an upcoming video. For now, log on to TimexIronman.com and click on Download our Training Peaks software. And where you see Run Trainer GPS, click Download Firmware and save to your computer. Step 3 is setting the time and your personal information. In another video, I'll show you how to customize your watch on your computer, which is a really easy way to set all your features to your exact preference. But at a minimum, before your first use, let's set your time, age, gender, height, and weight. To begin, press Set. Then press down to select Time 1, and then press Select again. You'll press Select to open the time date setting screen. Press up or down to change the blinking value, then press Select to move to the next value, then press Done. As far as personal information, you'll need to be in the Configure mode. Press down to select User, then press Select again. At this point, you'll be pressing up or down to select the setting you want to change, which is the same process for your date of birth, gender, weight, height, and activity level. Almost there. Step 4 is going outside to get a GPS signal. Tap the radio button once and hold the watch still with the watch facing to the sky until you lock onto a signal. It should be clear that you are getting a signal. It's important to note that it may take much longer to acquire a signal if you start walking or running before the GPS locks. For your first use, it may take several minutes to get that GPS signal, but the next time you use it in the same area, it'll be much faster, less than 30 seconds. Okay, the final step is all about you. Once you have a signal, which is indicated by a satellite icon, go to chrono mode, press start, and off you go. During the run, the watch is tracking everything for you, your pace, distance, heart rate, and cadence if you're using AMP Plus sensors. On my display, I have the distance on top, lap time in the middle, and run pace on the bottom. When you're done with your workout, press the stop button, hold it down to reset, then select Yes to save. We recommend turning off the GPS signal when you're done using it to help preserve the battery life. To preserve battery life, you hold Radio to enter the sensor menu and simply select the Power Off option. The selection indicator is pointing right to it. To see your workout, select the Review mode and choose the desired workout by date and time. I'm choosing laps because I only ran 1 lap during this day. My total run time was just under 19 minutes for a distance of 2.92 miles, an average speed of 9.2 miles per hour, and my average pace was 6 minutes 29 seconds. That's the basics on how to use your new Timex Ironman Run Trainer with GPS. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn about more features and how to connect your run trainer to your computer for setup and downloads.